Most repeated general science MCQs for PPSC and FPSC exams. 1. The unit of force is A. Joule, B. Newton, C. Watt, D. Pascal. Answer B. Newton. 2. The speed of light is A. 3 times 10 to the power of 6 meters per second, B. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, C. 3 times 10 to the power of 5 kilometers per second. D. Both B and C. Answer D. Both B and C. 3. Which gas is most abundant in air? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer C. Nitrogen. 4. The boiling point of water is A. 90 degrees Celsius, B. 95 degrees Celsius, C. 100 degrees Celsius, D. 110 degrees Celsius. Answer C. 100 degrees Celsius. 5. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Answer D. Vitamin D6. The largest planet is A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Answer C. Jupiter. 7. The chemical symbol of sodium is ASBNACSODSN. Answer B. Na8. Human heart has how many chambers? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer C. 4. 9. Which organ purifies blood? A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Kidney, D. Lungs. Answer C. Kidney. 10. The smallest unit of matter is A. Cell, B. Atom, C. Molecule, D. Proton. Answer B. Atom. 11. The SI unit of energy is A. Watt, B. Joule, C. Newton, D. Volt. Answer B. Joule. 12. Which planet is known as red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Mercury, D. Jupiter. Answer B. Mars. 13. Which gas is used in balloons? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen, D. Helium. Answer D. Helium. 14. Photosynthesis occurs in A. Roots, B. Stem, C. Leaves, D. Flowers. Answer C. Leaves. 15. The unit of electric current is A. Volt, B. Ampere, C. Ohm, D. Watt. Answer B. Ampere. 16. Which blood group is universal donor? A. AB, BC, ABD, O. Answer D. O17. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron, B. Mercury, C. Copper, D. Aluminum. Answer B. Mercury. 18. The Earth revolves around A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Mars, D. Venus. Answer B. Sun. 19. The hardest natural substance is A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Silver. Answer C. Diamond. 20. Which part of plant makes food? A. Root, B. Stem, C. Leaf, D. Flower. Answer C. Leaf. 21. The chemical formula of water is A. CO2, B. H2O, C. O2, D. H2. Answer B. H2O. 22. Which gas is essential for breathing? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Oxygen. 23. The unit of power is A. Joule, B. Watt, C. Volt, D. Ampere. Answer B. Watt. 24. Sound travels fastest in A. Air, B. Water, C. Solid, D. Vacuum. Answer C. Solid. 25. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin K. Answer D. Vitamin K. 26. The center of atom is called A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Nucleus, D. Neutron. Answer C. Nucleus. 27. Which instrument measures temperature? A. Barometer, B. Thermometer, C. Hygrometer, D. Ammeter. Answer B. Thermometer. 28. The gas used in photosynthesis is A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. 29. The SI unit of pressure is A. Newton, B. Pascal, C. Joule, D. Watt. Answer B. Pascal. 30. The nearest star to Earth is A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Mars, D. Venus. Answer B. Sun.